Parenthesis 8 minus 4 times 2 times 5. 8 minus 4 will give us 4. Then we have 4 times 2. Then put down our 5 here. Then in our parenthesis, 4 times 2 will give us 8. Then we have 8 times 5. 8 times 5 is equals to 40. 40 is the wrong answer to this question because we did not work with the order of operation, which is PEMDAS. In PEMDAS, we have parentheses, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Multiplication and division have equal priorities, such as addition and subtraction, working from your left to your right, in order to arrive in a very correct answer. Let us solve the right answer to this question. First of all, we have to solve our parentheses, and in our parentheses, we have a subtraction and multiplication. We are going to work with our multiplication first because multiplication comes before subtraction. In our parentheses, 4 times 2 will give us 8. Then we have 8 minus 8. Then put down our 5 here. 8 minus 8 will give us 0. Then we have 0 times 5. 0 times 5 is equals to 0. 0 is the right answer to this question. I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.